Hi, this is Scott Stork with Polaris Law Group, estate planning and elder law attorney in St. Charles, Missouri. Before we get started, I want to remind you to subscribe to our channel. Make sure that you get all of our upcoming content. So hit the subscribe button so that you're not left in the dark about what we've got coming on the channel. So I wanted to hop in here today and just do a really quick video to let you know about something that happened to a potential client today. So a potential client came in and they talked to me about something, a tragedy that happened in their life. So I've done videos on this before, but it's really, really important to make sure that when your kids turn 18, they graduate, leave the house, whatever, that you get powers of attorney, health care powers of attorney, things like that done for them. This particular client came in and she told me about an incident with her daughter who had just had a pretty bad accident at her job. Her daughter was 19, I believe, at the time. She was injured. She ended up with a traumatic brain injury, obviously was in the hospital, and mom did not have any power of attorney to make any medical decisions for her. And it caused a huge problem, one where mom was not able to do the things necessary to help her, to make those decisions for her. Courts had to get involved, which involves time, that a lot of times we don't have, and it's a big problem. And so this is something that we see a fair amount where people don't know what they don't know, and they don't know that their kids, who they've always been able to make decisions for up until the age of 18, that they can't anymore. I mean, I've got young kids. I'm used to making their decisions, but little do people realize that when the kids become adults, that decision-making power ends right there. And so one of the most important things that we can do is educate parents that your children need their own plan. And they don't need a complicated plan necessarily. They need a plan that fits their situation, and a situation where they're giving you the decision-making power that they probably would rely on and want anyway, the one that they've been used to for the first 18 years of their life. Now you've got to make sure you help them by completing those documents. So don't wait. Don't wait for your kid to go to college and do it in the spring. When you know your kids have reached that age, contact us. Let us help you. Let us get those documents done for them. They're incredibly important, and not having them is just a brutal thing to think about. So again, Scott Stork with Polaris Law Group. Hit subscribe on our channel, and remember to get those documents done for your kids' sake.